In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automations in Monday.com so you can save time, reduce manual work, and keep your projects running smoothly. Automations are one of the most powerful features inside Monday.com because they let your board handle repetitive tasks for you. Whether you want notifications sent automatically, statuses updated, or items created based on triggers, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. Make sure to watch until the end so you can test your automation properly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to know is that automations are created per board in Monday.com, so start by opening the specific board where you want the automation to run. Once you're inside that board, look at the top menu. You'll see a button labeled Automations. Go ahead and click on the Automations button to open the Automation Center. Inside the Automation Center, you'll see a wide range of automation recipes. These are pre-built automation templates that you can customize. Monday.com organizes them into helpful categories, such as status changes, due dates, assignments, notifications, time-based automations, and item creation. This makes it easy to find the type of workflow you're trying to build. For example, one of the most popular automations is when status changes to done, notify someone. This is perfect if you want to alert a manager or teammate when a task is completed. To set this up, simply click on the automation recipe that matches what you want to achieve. Once you select an automation, you'll be able to customize it. This is where you define the exact conditions and actions. First, choose the status that will trigger the automation. For instance, you might select the Done label in your status column. Next, select who should be notified. This could be a specific team member, the item owner, or even an entire team. Depending on the automation you choose, you may also need to adjust additional fields like dates, people columns, or item names. Take your time during this step and make sure everything is set exactly how you want it. The trigger and the action both need to be accurate for the automation to work correctly. After customizing the automation, click the Add to Board button. This activates the automation immediately. From this point forward, whenever the trigger condition happens, Monday.com will automatically perform the action you defined. Now comes a very important step that many people skip, testing your automation. To test it, simply trigger the condition manually. For example, change the status of an item to Done if that's the trigger you selected. Then confirm that the notification is sent or the action takes place. If it doesn't work as expected, go back into the Automation Center and adjust the settings. You can always edit, pause, or delete automations at any time from the board's Automation Center. This gives you full control and flexibility as your workflows evolve. And that's it. You now know how to set up automations in Monday.com step by step. Once you start using automations, you'll notice how much more efficient your boards become. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.